Yes, go, 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 go. Oh, maipit si Shunshun. I-hold, i-hold, i-hold. Hi guys, we'll be going to Mall of Asia. It should be Bayadong, but it's raining. That's why we will have our indoor activity today. And the kids will surely love it. Especially Marley.
Are you sure?
Ano ba yan na pag-video?
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yes, of course. Guys, we're here at MOA today because it's raining. We have our indoor activity and Sean is sleeping. Hee-hee. Hee-hee.
I smell food.
You smell food? Oh no. Let's try to find some cart first. Cart or trolley that Sean can sleep. Okay, pharmacy. We will find some pharmacy. Sean. The sleeping baby always. How about you? Not a sleeping baby? Okay. Go down doon. Balik. Wow. Sean, meet Sean. There. Sean.
What are activities in MOA?
No activities in MOA. Guys, it's our first stop in Gotopia. You wanna play? Wanna play? Here in Gotopia, you can play slime and everything. Marley, you're lost, Marley. Are you lost, baby boy? Harap ka dito. First challenge, slime tower challenge. Up.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Up, down.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay!
Wow. Scorean ko na lang yung score ko. Dapat mga 120 points lang.
Ah, okay.
Para maglaban siya mamaya next time.
Ah, okay. This is the balloon blaster. Go!
Guys, the balloon blaster is just like you pop balloons. Yeah, that's also the balloon blaster.
Go faster!
And I actually enjoyed it.
Faster! Ah! One more, pwede ba? Go! One more! Next is slime O-meter. Go! What's that? Where's sandbox? What's that? What? Place your phone here. Share your boat experience. Get out here. Oh, okay. No. Oops, dapat hindi ka matama. Sige, go. Dapat hindi may tama.
Guys, when the horn sound played,
dapat
I was scared, so I
like that.
stayed back.
That is good.
I was scared when the horn sound played because it was so loud. Yeah.
Wait lang.
Marami siya.
Ayun. Wala pa. panalo mo yan, Sean. Don't touch. I know you can do it. Last na yan. That's the last one. You can do it. Oh, no. Go inside. Kaya ni Sean. Go. Go, Sean, Sean. Wow.
Guys, the Gunado is like when you pick up some balls and then just put them in the trash bin or something. Yeah. And then if you put like 20 balls in the trash bin, you get like 50 points or something. And yeah, and we got more than 20 balls. I don't know what is the name of this, but to play it, you need to get the sticks that are falling.
Wala kang score.
And that's all for this game.
One more. Hide from the big eye. Oh no, what's this?
Guys, to play the hide from the big eye, by the way, if the green eye turns red, you need to hide from it. And also, you need to press all of the blue buttons on the walls while not getting caught by the red eye. Yeah, that's all for the hide from the big eye.
Green light.
Example, ma'am sir, pag ito pa yung magre-red, dito tayo sa likod ka magtatago. Pag ito naman yung magre-red, sa kabila.
Tago ka na.
Hindi lang magpakita nito.
Tapos ang itap namin yung mga blue.
Tapos once na nakita tayo ng red eye,
Go, tap the blue light, go! Go, blue lights, go, 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 go! Human bowling ball.
Guys, to play the human bowling ball, it's like a human version of bowling ball, but it's when you need to ride the ball and then they will push you up high and then they will let go of you and then you will strike to the things that the ball hits. I don't know what it's called, by the way, and that's all for the human bowling ball.
One more. How was your experience? Good? Bad? Did you enjoy?
No.
No? Why?
Because there is
Doon, picture kita doon sa loob ng balloon. Ay, balloon ng balls. Dali, go. Go inside doon. Make it up, make it up, make it up, up, up. Whoa. So slimy. Tap, 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 tap. Round and round. Yay. Round. Super up. Up. Use your feet only, feet. Up. No, don't use your hand. Up. Oh no. No, don't use your hand. Oh yes, later. Go, there ka muna yan. Go. Sean! Sean, what are you doing, Sean? The bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep.
Hi guys, we are back in Slime-O-Meter, and to play Slime-O-Meter, you need to get like a fishing rod thing, and then you need to get the cubes or something. Yeah, that's all for Slime-O-Meter.
I'll make a slime now. Today.
Hi guys, I'm gonna make a slime now.
Okay. What color do you want? What color do you want?
Green.
Green, okay.
Chocolate.
Chocolate scent. Ew.
Ah, how's chocolate?
Okay. Mix it like this. Stretch, then fold. Stretch, then fold. Okay?
Okay,
Put an
mix.
activator.
Lalalala.
Mix it in your hands. Mix. Okay. Okay, go. Another one. Upon. Santa Claus.
Pababain mo na. Ay, ako nakapaba ng kuya ko. Oh. 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 Ay.
Dad, did you enjoy? Okay. Now again. Again? Again daw? Ano daw?
Which coin rolls faster? 1 peso, 5 peso. 1
Okay.
peso. And then there's another.
Okay, you go. Yay! Nagkapera ang MOA! O, diba?
Hi guys, we're gonna ride the Ferris wheel.
Tired for today? Super tired? Hi guys, so we're going to ride what's that?
This is for
The Ferris wheel. Happy si Shanshan. Happy si Shanshan.
Hi! Hi! Did you already video? Yes, video na yan. Hi! But it's still recording. Oh,
Picture
picture ba dito, Ma'am?
Nag-sleep while being up high in the sky. Hi, Ambon. Why you slap, Mommy?
No sleeping kasi siya, no?
Sleep, sleep, sleep. Sleeping while up in the sky.
So, we're on the top na siya.
This is the view of the MOA from this view. So big. I think the one who owns this is a billionaire. And Mommy's sleeping up here in the sky. Now we're going down.
Ha?
Dance, 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 dance. Bye-bye. Bye-bye to the cars. Bye-bye, cars. Go, run to Daddy. Run. Run. Asan tayo nun?